Hello kid. Well, here I have got a lovely plant with beautiful flowers for you. But do you know from where has this plant come? Think about it. Don't know? Let me tell you. Well, this plant has come from these small tiny things. Do you know what are these? These are known as seeds. These sleep inside the fruit and it gives birth to new plant. Let's see. Well, just like we protect our babies in our home, in the similar way, plants also protect the seeds because they are very important and from them we get new plants. So just like we need to protect the baby or the child, similarly the plant needs to protect the seeds. So this is a picture of a seed. What all are there inside? First and foremost thing, the seed has a baby plant. The baby plant is also known as embryo. And what are these? These are the different parts of seed. First, it has an outer covering to protect the baby plant, which is known as seed coat. And there is food stored for the baby plant inside the seed. So these are the different parts of seed: the baby plant, the seed coat, and the food stored. Now, what if you have a small newborn baby in your house? Well, do you keep him or her outside alone in the garden or on the terrace? Not really, right? You should always protect the small child from someone outside or from something which can harm him or her, right? Similarly, the first priority of the seed is the protection. So, just like small babies are protected in their houses, in the same way, the baby plant is also protected by seed coat, which is a hard outer covering of the seed. So what does the seed coat do? The seed coat protects the baby plant. Now, after the baby is protected in the house, what does he or she need to grow? Well, the baby needs food. Now, from where does he or she get food? Well, in the house we have our mother who comes and gives food to the baby. So, the source of food is within the house, the mother. In the similar way, in a seed as well, the source of food is inside the seed for the baby plant. So, the seed stores food for the baby plant. So, here we can see just like a mother is feeding a baby, similarly, a baby plant feeds on the food stored inside the seed or the home of the baby plant. Now, I have a question for you. What are the functions of a seed? Is it option 1, it protects the baby plant, or option 2, it stores food for the baby plant, or option 3, all of these? Let me tell you. We have seen that the seed has a seed coat which protects the baby plant. Also, the seed stores food inside so that the baby plant can feed on it. So, the correct option will be all of these because the seed protects the baby plant and also stores food for the baby plant. Now, in some seeds, the food is stored in the seed for the baby plant. Such an example is the rice, where the food is stored inside the seed for the baby plant. But there are types of seeds where the food is stored in the baby plant itself. Such an example is the bean. These type of seeds have the food stored in the baby plant itself. More examples of this kind of seeds are gram and bean. So, what do these seeds do? These seeds store the food in the baby plant itself. So, let's revise. This is the picture of a seed, and the different parts of the seed are the baby plant, which is also known as embryo, the food stored in the seed, and the seed coat outside, which protects the baby plant. Some seeds store the food inside the seed for the baby plant, and the example of such kind of seed is rice. And we have a different kind of seed where the food stored is in the baby plant itself. Such kind of seed are the beans. So, these are the different kinds of seeds. So, now you know what is a seed which sleeps inside a fruit, and the different parts of the seed like seed coat, the baby plant and the food stored in it. And there are two types of the seeds, one which has the food stored in the seed and another where the food stored is in the baby plant itself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.